Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Just Dance on your iPad. First, head to the App Store on your iPad and search for Just Dance now. Download this free application to begin your dancing journey. Make sure your iPad is connected to a strong Wi-Fi network for the best experience. You will also need a separate screen, such as a smart television or computer monitor, to display the main game. Now let's connect your devices. On your larger screen, open a web browser and go to justinceno.com. You will see a unique room number appear, typically a 6-digit code. Next, open the Just Dance Now app on your iPad. Input that exact 6-digit room number into the designated field within the app. This action links your iPad directly to the game session on your big screen. With your devices connected, it's time to dance. Hold your iPad firmly in your right hand, just like a traditional game controller. Watch the dancer on your main screen and try to match their moves as closely as possible. Your iPad will track your arm movements, providing real-time feedback and scoring. Aim for perfect timing and precision to achieve high scores and unlock new songs. To maximize your Just Dance experience, ensure you have plenty of clear space around you to move freely and safely. For an expanded song selection, consider purchasing a VIP pass within the app, which grants unlimited access to hundreds of tracks. Also, remember to keep your iPad charged or plugged in, especially during longer dance sessions, to avoid interruptions. Enjoy countless hours of dancing fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.